Hi there, hope everything is going well. Martin here, founder of Paradigm Shift, with a quick CR tips and tricks video looking at why the NCI should be your best friend. So in this short video, we'll explore why this concept of the NCI can guarantee you marks based on ICAW's follow-through approach. Understanding NCI Basics. Spotting the opportunity. So when you see in the exam that you have a parent company that owns less than 100% of a subsidiary, it's good news. You're going to be able to get some free marks, as we'll show you. There's a simple calculation for the NCI. If the parent controls 80%, the NCI is 20%. If the parent has 90%, NCI is 10%, and so on. Follow-through marks. You can simply apply the NCI percentage to your financial reporting adjustments consistently throughout your answer, and you'll get some marks. So you'll get marks just for saying 10% times whatever your adjustment was, or 20% times whatever your adjustment was. So even if you get the adjustment wrong, you get marks for multiplying that number by 10%, 20%, whatever the relevant figure is, and I think we can all do that. It's not rocket science. So the key thing is not to forget to do it. Securing marks with NCI. The follow-through approach. So ICAW's marking philosophy ensures you won't be penalised twice for an error. So even if your initial calculation of whatever the financial reporting adjustment was, even if that is wrong, simply applying the correct NCI percentage secures some marks. So remember, as soon as you see that ownership is less than 100%, it's definitely good news for your exam. Make sure you leave time for the quick NCI calculations, and don't forget to do the calculations. That's a key mistake we see, people rushing, and you're leaving easy marks on the table. Hopefully that's useful. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and please check out our other videos.